Good morning, everyone. I'm David Hilbert, Marketing Director at Kia Europe, and I'm delighted to present to you today the debut of the new Kia XCeed. The Ceed range was Kia's first product designed, engineered, built and sold in Europe for European customers, becoming a pivotal part of the lineup. Capitalising on the growing trend of crossover vehicles, the XCeed was launched in 2019 and is now our best performing model in the Ceed family. With over 51,000 units sold during 2021, this latest update will solidify its position as one of our very best products. It is one of the most high-tech cars in its class, and the XCeed is a flagship model for Kia's latest technologies, including advanced safety, connectivity and infotainment systems. This facelift also features a new GT line edition, reflecting the sporty and urban nature of the new XCeed, and with a choice of sustainable electrified powertrains, from fast-revving turbocharged engines to innovative mild hybrid systems and a plug-in hybrid derivative, the XCeed is equipped for all your mobility needs. Now, let me hand over to Andrea De Archangelis, Product Manager for the Ceed family, who will guide you through the enhancements and additions that make the new XCeed a game changer in the competitive crossover segment.
Hello everyone, my name is Andrea De Archangelis and I'm the product manager for the Kia Ceed model range in Europe. When developing the third generation Ceed, our designers found that the new design direction translated beautifully into an urban crossover. This intuition marked the birth of the Kia XCeed. The Kia XCeed is a model designed for drivers who appreciate the rational benefits of an SUV, but do not want to give up a sense of style and sportiness. Today, after 3 years and more than 120,000 units sold in Europe, I have the pleasure to introduce to you the new Kia XCeed. The new Kia XCeed is a flagship model for Kia, and as such it features all our latest technologies in terms of infotainment, connectivity and telematics. It also brings you our advanced mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains to be the perfect mobility partner for your daily life. The new Kia XCeed is designed around 3 product pillars: design, connectivity and electrification. Design has always been the main trait of XCeed and the reason why it has been so successful in Europe. We wanted it to have clear, strong proportions to create an iconic silhouette that is instantly recognizable. With the new models, we are bringing to those drivers who appreciate beauty and athleticism an even more distinctive and unique design. Let's find it out together. Starting with the front, we find new LED headlamps with the 3 iconic Ceed vertical light elements, along with a redesigned tiger nose, featuring now a new grille design. At the lower part, we have a new bumper and air intake design. By integrating the fog lamps into the headlights, our designers were able to obtain 2 air curtains on the sides that guide air around the vehicle's wheels, contributing to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Moving to the side, we can appreciate the new 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels with a dedicated design that rounds off the crossover's athletic appeal. A sharp crease running on the side of the car beautifully connects headlights and taillights. At the rear, we find a new glossy black diffuser and a new, more discreet exhaust design that enhance the XCeed's premium appeal. With the new XCeed, we want to transform every journey into a pleasant experience. In the interior, the driver will be welcomed by a high-tech 12.3-inch digital cluster, now featuring all new distinctive graphics, and by a new glossy black gear surround. The new rear view mirror with thin bezels improve the premium perception of the interior, while newly designed control labels keep the latest tech features conveniently at your fingertips. With the new XCeed, customer can choose between 4 seat combinations and several materials, including cloth, leather and artificial leather. Depending on the material, heated and ventilated options are also available for an increased comfort in all weather conditions. Also, thanks to the 40-20-40 remote folding rear seats, the boot capacity can now be increased, making leisure trips even more enjoyable. With all this technology and convenience, XCeed drivers will be inspired to spend even more time on the road. But that's not all. Today, I'm happy to announce that with the new XCeed, we are introducing a new, sportier version to elevate even further its emotional design. Please welcome the new Kia XCeed GT line. The XCeed GT line brings several design enhancements. At the front, we have a new grille framed by an edgy tiger nose design and dark satin chrome inserts that complement its sporty feel. At the lower part, the new bumper with a sporty lower air intake framed by dark chrome inserts and the three horizontal elements on the black garnish boost the sporty character of the car. The black air curtains on the sides finish the look. If we move to the side, we can notice the new sporty 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels specifically designed for this GT line. The glossy black roof rails and the dark chrome finish around the windows ideally connect the black mirror caps with the black side element in the spoiler area. This all darker area at the higher part makes the XCeed GT line look lower on the ground and emphasize its coupe-like appearance. At the rear, the GT line is instantly recognizable by new sequential LED taillights. Made of 37 individual LEDs arranged in a honeycomb pattern, they emit a very sporty and progressive light signature. They also connect to form an X shape when the brake lights are activated. A new body color diffuser rounds off the sporty image of the car. The sporty atmosphere is even more noticeable in the cabin. The new D-cut steering wheel provides extra legroom and offers better grip during cornering, while the new sporty GT line seats provide both driver and passengers with additional lateral support and comfort for an outstanding driving experience. The suede and grey stitching, combined with the GT line emblem on the backrests, make the GT line interior really stand out. Several touches, like the black headliner and the perforated leather gear knob, add to the pleasure of every ride. Distinctive, on trend, and always modern. With the new XCeed, drivers can choose exactly how to express themselves, thanks to its vibrant palette of body colors. With the new model, we are introducing three new metallic colors: Lemon Splash, Yucca Steel Grey, and Celadon Spirit Green, a truly bold and unique color. 12 sparkling colors in total for a comprehensive offering that's in line with the latest color trends to satisfy any personal taste. A choice between two 16-inch alloy wheel designs and two brand new 18-inch alloy wheel options complete the look. The second product pillar is connectivity. The new XCeed brings the latest version of the Kia Connect telematics system that now offers over-the-air update capabilities. Through the large 10.25-inch main display, drivers are kept up to date at all times. The navigation system also uses real-time traffic data to make sure drivers are always on the fastest route to destination, helping save time and fuel. The voice recognition system also provides information about fueling or charging stations, parking, weather, points of interest, and so much more. Both driver and passengers will also benefit from fast charging Type-C USB ports, both at front and rear, as well as wireless smartphone charging. For us at Kia, connectivity is also about keeping the car well connected to the road. Thanks to the latest advanced driver assistance system, such as rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, navigation-based smart cruise control, and driver attention warning plus, the new XCeed keeps driver and passengers safe while giving a hassle-free driving experience. The new Kia XCeed will be offered with a wide range of petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid powertrains to satisfy the needs of all our customers across Europe. Depending on the country, choices for petrol engines include a 1.0 turbo with 120 PS, a 1.5 turbo with 160 PS, also available with our mild hybrid technology, and a 1.6 turbo that delivers a punchy 204 PS. Also available is a 1.6 diesel engine with 136 PS and mild hybrid technology. Lastly, the new XCeed can be chosen with a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a 1.6 petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver a combined 141 PS. And now, come with me for a ride to find out more about the new Kia XCeed. The new Kia XCeed ride and handling characteristics have been developed by Kia's European Technical Center specifically for the European drivers. Despite its elevated ride height, the vehicle offers a great balance between comfort and handling, thanks to its reduced weight, low center of gravity, and specific suspension and steering setup. Thanks to Kia's Drive Mode Select system, drivers are also able to choose between Eco, Normal, and Sport mode. When selecting the Sport mode, the electronic control unit adjusts steering weight, throttle pedal response, and for models equipped with double clutch transmission, gear shift responses to maximize performance and heighten driver engagement. The Normal mode enables the driver to maximize the potential for comfort and relaxed cruising. Finally, the Eco mode is designed to lessen the engine's work and increase fuel efficiency. The all-new Kia XCeed is designed, engineered, and built in Europe for European drivers. I hope that you, like us, find the new Kia XCeed inspiring. For more information, please visit your local Kia website. Thank you and goodbye.
Kia, movement that inspires.